Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make quick breakfast. Please don't forget to watch this video till the end and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So without wasting much of you guys time, I'm going to add 3 eggs in my mixing bowl, and after that I'll use my whisk to beat the egg. So next I'm going to add my chopped spring onion, tomatoes, bell pepper mix, liquid milk, a pinch of salt, and also black pepper powder. After adding, I'll go ahead to mix everything together. So next I'm going to go ahead to cut my sliced bread in the middle. Then after that I'll set it aside. Please, my amazing viewers, if today is your first time of coming across this my channel, click on that subscription button on your phone screen and also turn on your notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So next I'm going to place my empty dried frying pan on the heat. Then I will spray some vegetable oil. After that I'll place the cut out slices of bread in my frying pan. Then I'll go ahead to start adding my egg mixture in it. Next I'm going to add some crumb cheese on it. After that I will go ahead to add my sliced cheese also. Please guys, support this my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. So next I'm going to place the other bread which I cut out from the sliced bread on it, and after that I will add small butter in the frying pan to give the bread toast some extra flavor. Next I'm going to flip my bread toast and cook both sides for at least 2 minutes. So after I'm done cooking the both sides for at least 2 minutes, I'll go ahead to take them off the heat. So guys, can you see how delicious and yummy this bread toast look like? You can make this quick breakfast for your kids. And don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.